The vision is to become one of the leading developers of southern part of India, and we would like to be in the top 3 real estate developers in Hyderabad. Currently we are working on a couple of office buildings. So right now, if I add up all this leasable spaces and saleable spaces, it would be around 10 million square feet. Yeah, we are using this precast technology for our commercial buildings as well as the mall building, the retail building. In Indian construction, there are a couple of big challenges. One is the availability of skill set of manpower, and the second is attrition of the skilled manpower. So any project which is more than say a year of construction duration, you need to induct at least 5 to 6 times of the actual manpower requirement. Adding to that, the second challenge is the skill set. Having understood all these hurdles, we thought that why don't we make our projects less dependent on manpower. I would advise anyone coming to me, taking our advice for precast, see their current and future plans, in which segment they are going to be strong, and then accordingly they should select the machinery of that particular segment. And then they also should be able to see the returns from the investment what they have made. Why did I choose Elematic? I should say on the techno-commercial grounds, we shortlisted Elematic and we have gone ahead with them. As of now, Elematic's performance has exceeded my expectations.
I've got 19 years experience in precast, mostly in one company in 17.5 years in Dubai actually. We have been producing from the beginning for one project, and it has columns, pre-stressed beams, pre-stressed solid slabs, normal solid slabs, the RCC beams, staircases, hollow core slabs. Capacity in hollow core, we have 6 lines, 6 beds, and which will give an annual capacity of around 500,000 square meter. And in the non-hollow core, it can easily go to around 75,000 to 80,000 cubic meter of precast products annually. We operate in 2 shifts, but with staggered timing because of the obvious nature of the precast industry, where all the sections don't come in one time. And we are producing around 200 cubic meter of non-hollow core and around 50 cubic meter of hollow core at the moment. Elematic has delivered 6 hollow core beds, 3 shuttles in 3 different bays. Then we have the comcaster, we have the plotter, we have the cleaning machine, we have the floater machine, and plus 2 beds of pre-stress beams, that is around 120 meters each. And we are soon going to install another 60 meter of double bed line. The team was very supportive, very able to adjust a bit, compromise a bit here and there along with our works going on. It was not that easy. I think it was Aurobindo and Elematic, we came together to make it look like one team. So we never felt that Elematic is Elematic, or they felt like the part of Aurobindo.